Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm here in Scotiabank Arena in Toronto. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Shout out sa mga kasama ko sa Legion of Mary, Brother Delphin, Brother Albert, Brother Tony, Sister Ginro, Sister Flor, etc., etc., Sister Helen, Sister Hazel, Sister Brenda. I'm here in Scotiabank. Please subscribe, guys.
Okay, go down there.
I will watch Toronto Raptors, guys. I think there's no game today. Sorry, guys. Let's see what's the game today. Today is Friday the 13th. Ang lakas ng snow. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's snow. Forever proud, forever one. Raptors, of course, Raptors.
Yes.
Which is thank you, sir, for your
Phoenix Suns.
Thank you, sir, for your
Okay.
time.
Phoenix Suns, yep.
Thank you, sir. Today is Phoenix Sun and Raptors. So I'm in ringside. I'll be in ringside, guys. I won lucky seat today. That's why I'm in ringside. Look at the Scotiabank Arena. But still early, 7:30 start the game. People already is lining up. Ang lakas ng snow. I think 10 centimeter ang kapal. Look at the Union Station bus terminal. We the North. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ticket starting at $25. Matagal pa paghihintay ko. 7:30 ang tagal pa. Raptors versus Phoenix Suns. It's nice to be back here in Scotiabank, guys. Please subscribe, guys.
Are you recording it? Don't record it.
Sorry?
Don't record me. Delete that.
No, I'm YouTube.
No, delete that.
I'm a blogger.
I don't care. Delete that.
No, I'm not taking pictures.
Call the cops. Let me charge you for that.
No, what's a blogger here? Blogger, you know blogger on YouTube? They will touch them. Okay, you're not a guy who will stop the people watching blog on YouTube. It's
You can't just record people, brother. You can't just record people in this country and get charged for that. You know that?
no. There's Toronto, it's a black everywhere in Toronto.
But you can't just put cameras on people that ask.
No, not you. It's surrounding. It's just different places. Not you. Thank you, guys. Meron isang nagbabawalan ako, guys. Sabi ko, buong mundo nagbablog, ang daming vlogger dito sa Toronto. Pinagbabawalan ako ni Michael Jordan. He looks like Michael Jordan. It's a joke, okay guys, okay. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Happy weekend.